Okay, so the saddest thing in the world, it just happened. I'm gonna go to my mailbox, read what this says. Can you be my friend, please? With a gift. Oh, okay, that's not funny. I gotta mute my computer. Get out of here, dog. Sorry, my dog just walked in. Of course. That's sad. And I have to gift them their plushie back. I ain't taking your stuff. Lady. That's just depressing. You gift someone saying, can you be my friend, please? That's just depressing. Look at the bottom of the screen. I'm giving them their plushie back. And I gotta say, oh, yes! Take this back, please. Take this back, please. There we go. Oh, that's a rat outfit. Oh, no, I don't want to gift you again. Oh, I don't want to gift you again. Forgot. Oh. One more. Where's my eagle? Just waiting, I know, I'm sorry. Let me go get half. Oh, snazzy. Keep it. Got the next chest. Open. Oh, that's cute. That will go in my nature den. Nice. I don't have this yet. And here we go. It's a golden tiara. That's actually in stores. Well, I'm done with this. Okay. My little process of recording takes me 30 minutes. In reality, I make like up to 15 minutes of a video. Oh god. This video might take me long time because I just want to like yeah, cough. What? I just want to make a eagle video. And oh god, Animal Jam rares. Yes, very much so. Give me your rares. Give me your rares. I just said that because it reminded me. Oh, I got 14 more messages. In the beginning of the video, better not be. Go to your den. Oh God. I messed up. They were messaging me. That's kind of depressing. Oh god. That all I say is depressing things. Artwork. I have one more artwork that needs to be accepted. It's if it loads, yes, this one. Oof! I died. No! Back away! Back away! Stranger danger! Oh god. I still have this collection I need. I don't have my birthstone, which is an emerald. It's the only one I really do want, but I know how to get it. And this purple one is the month right now. It's I don't know what it's called. Well, you gotta look up his birth video. No, it's good. Just birth. It's the amethyst. Some people would get the birth video joke. No, not explaining. Don't want to explain. This is a kitty, and yes, I like my own masterpieces. Nothing wrong that story. Oh God. I was about to talk about depressing stories, and I went flying away. Oh wow, that's pretty. I like that. Not. Oh, I was about to change it. Oh my God, that is beautiful. That is. Ow! I was about to clap again on my elbow. Ow! That hurt the last time. Sorry, I had to cough. I'm like, sorry, I had to cough. Like, coughing's not a common thing to do. And yes, I'm back here, don't judge me. I'll be back. So, basically, this video took like an hour to make, but it was worth it. Let me plug in my headphones real quick. Yikes. Is that better? Okay. So, it took me a long time to finish. And oops. Okay, there, now it's done. Oh my God, I almost forgot to save. Honestly, I have so many art, but if I forgot to save this one, I would cry. I'm like, I would cry. Oh, there's no other Pokemon. Yeah, it's gonna be Pokemon 1. 3 Dynam. And here we go. I'm gonna create it so I can have it. Oh my God. The reason why I wanted to do this one is because I picked the Pokemon. It's so popular in the video. So I feel like I could get some good items for it. And like, it's not that hard to make. I should have showed you the pattern so you guys can make the same one as me. But oh well. Oh, why did this first place thing show up next to me? I have no clue. And it just disappeared. Art! Oh, it's beautiful art. I like, oh wow. They're pretty talented. 107 likes. Okay. It's just dead silent. Because, ooh, art. Queen Magenta better than you all. Not very nice of you. It's gonna, what a queen without her. What's a queen without her king? Well, hysterically. Seep a king. More powerful queen magic. I don't get it. I don't know how to read at the moment. Let's go to the party. The party. Okay. Yes, I love the Bouncy Heart Party because I haven't been there since I was in November, and that was like 3 years ago. So this is my 3rd membership. Yeah, 3 years ago. Oh wow. I remember the struggles of like, oh, I want that, and I want that, and like, oh, let's remember. I don't want any of these items. This party used to be the bomb to me, it's just boring now. It's just, you don't get it. Sadly, this video It's 10-minute video so far, but it took me about an hour to do so far, and now it's not a training video. Get off. And it's pretty depressing. Everything is depressing in my world, but that's just me, in my opinion. Oh, and I'm gonna try to trade away my spare spike wrist, my black spike wrist I got yesterday. And I didn't trade in camera, but I got another black spike wrist. Stop! I don't want your pets. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Gotta take off the one I'm wearing. So that's my main look one. And we're gonna see. We're turning this into a trading video. Great, time to go to Alden, I guess.